how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Last Kitchen. Today we are gonna make Jeow Het, okay? Jeow Het is very easy and simple, okay? I use the two kind of mushroom. I use the white mushroom right here and the brown mushroom, okay? They are same kind of mushroom except one is brown, one is white, okay? And I use cilantro, spring onion, and the hom pe, okay? Got that for my garden, look very nice. And we have the garlic, shallot, chili pepper, and then what I have here is Padek and fish stock, chicken flavor. That's all we need. Very nice and easy, huh? Okay, let's get started, okay? Okay, let me open the package, see what the mushroom look like, okay? Okay, so you're gonna open packet like this, put your hand over, and see underneath here, you wanna get rid of it, okay? So you wanna cut it and clean it, okay? See? You don't eat this area, okay? So what I do, I go ahead, cut it off. Cut that part, you don't eat that part, okay? Make sure it's nice and clean. Okay, let me finish all of it and then we clean it out, okay? See the mushroom? I clean it real good, okay? And then you boil the hot water like that and go ahead put in the hot water. Let it cook, okay? Okay, I'll let it cook until it's nice and soft. Okay. Okay. You're gonna go ahead, grill the pepper and garlic, okay? You don't have to make it too hot if you don't want to, but I like hot, so I put more pepper on my dish, okay? Okay, more. Oop. Okay. I love shallot. Shallot is good. Good for you. Okay. These three, shallot, garlic, and chili pepper. Oh, that's look perfect. Turn off the heat, and I'm gonna take the water out. Okay, my pepper and garlic and shallot is nice and soft. It's ready, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead take it out from the heat before it's burned. See, I got all my ingredients ready. My mushroom is cooked, and shallot, garlic, and hot chili is cooked, okay? And my three vegetables there, like onion and all kind of stuff. Well, basically, it's kind of like really cool. Three of everything, you know. Okay, and then you cannot leave without this. You have to use coke outside, okay? All right. This is big, huh? Okay, let's cook. Only tăm sai con. Put in here. Okay, let me move around a little bit. กูเห็ดเป็นมาส่งเนี่ยOkay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my ingredient. Add the Padek, chicken flavor, and น้ำปลา Okay, now go ahead and put the vegetable. Hom, smell good. เอาข้าวเหนียวมาจ้ำนี่แซ่บได้นี่นะรู้เป็นตาแซ่บป่ะว้าวสวยไม่ใส่เนาะแบบนี้เนาะปลาสีงามหลายแก้วเห็ดแล้วเป็นตาแซ่บบอลองเห็ดเบิ่งเด้อ